it's not easy when you're doing this. You know, you can break your kite. You know, so it takes a lot of experience. So this is the hardest active track ever, because I will show you what I'm talking about later on. But anyway, I'm just letting you guys know that, you know, you're gonna fall in the water and you're not gonna be as fast coming back here in the shore, just in case your drone or whatever you want to do with your drone. But anyway, I'm gonna go and try this out. It's kind of like low light now, but I'm gonna see how the tracking device work on this guy, and go from here, man. This is gonna be extreme. It's gonna be the first of this drone. It might be a keeper. But we're gonna go ahead and see what it can do. Right now it's blowing about 23, 24. It's gonna get the gust, so it's gonna start blowing more. I think if you're way out there, the wind is gonna be more stronger. I'm gonna go ahead and see how this gimbal gonna work out and go from here. So I got the EVO on. Whew. I mean, it mostly just fold, but I'm just gonna do it anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and see where I'm at and go from here. See that, guys? It's not even touching the ground. I don't even buy those, man. I don't know why people buy those. Oh, it ain't gonna help nothing. So much dust everywhere. If you're gonna bring your drone on the beach, that's the way it is. It's gonna get salt water. It's gonna get, name it. All right. Even if you have a mat over here, even though the nice day, it's not gonna happen, because you always have high pressure of moisture of salt water. So don't even. I've been droning since the beginning. I don't use anything. You see it, what you get. So just letting you guys know. Oh wow. So it's tracking me right now. So let me go ahead and see if what this guy can do. It's gonna be interesting. Wow. Is he recording? He's recording. Whew. Got the drone. Most likely when I do this with the Mavic, I have to do so many times. I have to have like 5 batteries. It can never get me. But I'm gonna go ahead and see what this new technology can do. So it's gonna be interesting. All right. See, guys, you see what I'm talking about? I got the bar, I got the kite, I got the drone. It's gonna be hard for me to get the controller. So if I'm way out there, I'm gonna have a hard time. So I'm hoping this guy will return to home where I set it up. But that's how it is. Wow, it's getting me right now. And once I dump myself in there, it's done. So the way I have to do this, see, he probably just lost me right now. He just lost me. Oh crap. See what I'm talking about? So now I gotta go back here and fix it with myself. With one battery. Hopefully I can do it. Woo. Okay, I'm over here, buddy. Hold on. See, my hand is already sand everywhere. Okay. Okay. See, I don't want to go too high either. There's a helicopter over there. See, that's me right now. Wow. I'm gonna go ahead and go a little bit quicker. Let me see if I got one shot. If I got one shot. This thing, man, in the wind I'm surprised. I thought it can't handle the wind, but it actually can. Wow. So I'm gonna go one more time. Here, hold on. Stop. I'm gonna do one more. Oh, it actually follows you. All right. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and see if this guy can track me. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and go. Did he follow me? Oh my gosh, I can't even tell. All right. Let me see if this guy followed me around. See that dog? Wow. So I gotta start over again and I have to relaunch the kite. And you gotta do it right, because you can actually you don't want that. You see this line? That's the reason why I rely on obstacle avoidance. To me, it's a must, because I'm telling you, you will lose your drone out there. If this one is line or one of this kite hit it, it's gone. But I'm gonna go ahead and see if EVO can follow me. It's gonna be extreme. Look like this. Now I gotta put the kite. I gotta make sure I don't hit my my drone. So to do this, you gotta do it right. And right now it's blowing. So you gotta do it right. I mean, most of the time when you launch the kite, you will hit your drone. See that? $1,000 kite, $1,000 drone. And now I gotta get the board. You see how difficult it is. So this is the most difficult to do. I'm tried. With this technology that we had, it's actually better. And hopefully it can track me. See, right now I'm in the water. I got this current here and I got this wave. And then I gotta make sure, I mean, the Mavic Air can catch up with me. But now I got the EVO, so it's gonna be a different beast. I know it's pretty quick. But hopefully it doesn't. Oh, I don't even like. Woo! Yep. Oh, it's tracking me. Woo! EVO! It's tracking me right now. Woo! Yeah! See that? I'm gonna jump for you guys. Woo! You see what I'm talking about? You out here in the water. What you gonna do when your drone is gone? You gotta go back and hopefully the current is strong enough. But the EVO look like it's tracking me. Woo! Wow, that's amazing, man. First shot. I don't know if it's tracking me. I can't even tell. I'm over here in the water right now. I got no controller. I got no transmitter. I'm probably going about like 35. I don't even know how fast I'm going right now. I got no tracker. But I'm gonna go back. And now, see, sometimes the wind dies. Woo! Wow, I don't know why he's not catching up with me. I'm gonna have to fix him up. Wow. He did track me for a little bit. Wow, I think he lost me. See, even the Mavic Pro, they all do this, you know? And now I gotta go back and fix my shot. Dangerous. Whew. So now he's over there, and hopefully he's just gonna return back to home. Whew. See that? Everything's rough. Hopefully he just returned to home. Oh man, I'm gonna have to fix something. So EVO is out there. I don't even know how many minutes I have. Man, I wish I had plenty battery. Yeah, I wish. Now I got my board down. Now I gotta drop my kite. So it's much easier if you're in the car, you're in the boat, you're in the skateboard, you're in a bicycle. And my EVO's over there. And I have my kite over here. And I still have to land my kite. So now I gotta land my kite. Like I said, you gotta do it right, because the wind is gonna throw me too if I don't do it right. So it's crazy. Woo! See, I gotta fix my kite. I gotta go back to my drone. I gotta set it up again. But that's what you get. Now I gotta go back here and see what's going on. I think I lost me a little bit. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and get out the app. Whew. See if it's coming back to me. Okay, where are you going, buddy? Come back this way. Woo! See, that's what I'm talking about, guys. It's not easy. You can get hurt. That thing can, the string can go over your neck and strangle you to death if you made a mistake in the ocean. That's why if you guys are doing this, you guys are gonna lose your drone, if you, especially in the water. You are gonna lose it. Just letting you guys know. All right. So now I got the drone back here. Okay, I wanna know what's going on. All right, I'm gonna do this again. Woo. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and see what's the deal here. I'll probably, okay. All right, let me go ahead and battery, gimbal, flight control. Okay, speed. All right, this. I don't want no limit. I don't know why it says that. Okay, I don't know. I'm just gonna go ahead and, wow. I'm gonna go general information. Okay. Aircraft status. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and see what's going on. All right. And GPS is good. All right, I'm gonna do one more time. Wow. I'm gonna have it right here behind me. About right there. So I'm gonna have it about right here. See, I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time. I got 7 minutes flight time now. So now I'm gonna go here again. Okay. Okay. All right. And start following me. Woo! I got 7 minutes. Okay, let's do this again. Again, I have to get them. I gotta get my kite together. I gotta come back here, make sure my lines are good. The current probably moved it already. So, do not do circles. If you're doing active track or dimension track, do not go circles, especially with this kind of wind, because you don't really know. I mean, obstacle avoidance is enough to stop it, but it's not gonna fully stop you. I mean, I'm sorry, it's not gonna fully stop. I mean, this kite is so fast that it will just move around like crazy. That drone is not gonna have time to move. So we're not on that technology yet. Again, I'm gonna do one more time. I got the EVO watching me. I got the kite over there. I got back my board. See, I already got a lot of stuff to worry about. Now I gotta worry about the drone. That's why I said it's the hardest thing to do. But everybody, you know, this is, you see that? Probably low battery. Yeah, low battery. See, done. So now I gotta come back, do it again. Now I gotta put back my kite down. Okay? See, if you're in the middle of the ocean, what's gonna happen? You know, you're gonna expect that thing to land there and you're way out there. You might be a mile or 2 miles away, or you might be 3 miles. And you expect this drone to just down smoothly landing. But you can see the EVO, he did his job. I like that. I'd rather be safe than sorry. You know, to me, I think I got enough captured. See, that's where I landed at, and that's where I'm gonna stop. Whew. So I got like 5 minutes. So anyway, guys, this is what I have to deal with. Oh man, this is how I have to deal with when you're doing active track at the beach. And then you gotta watch out because you got a lot of people here too. I mean, I'm trying my best not to. That's the reason why I always recommend for you guys to have obstacle avoidance, just in case something happened. You know, you guys are good. But anyway, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And we got more video coming. I'm gonna do my best to get this thing situated. Remember, I only got 1 battery. A Phantom, it probably take me about 4 battery. Okay, Phantom 4s. Mavic Air, it takes me about 5 batteries to do this. Spark takes me about 6 battery. Mavic Pro takes me about 5 batteries to do this. So this is not simple stack. So I'm telling you guys, you know, whatever you can do is what you can do. What you can film is do what you can, man. There's always another time, and the most important thing is your safety, the people out here, and your drone. I mean, there's a way to do it if you do it right. I've been doing this for a long time, and I don't even see myself expert. But like, again, thank you. Don't forget, again, subscribe, like, and share. Woo! Wow, guys, you see my hand is all dirty. Wow. So EVO did it, man. I mean, he did his best to catch up with me. I mean, right now I got a low light too. I got a low light battery, so it's even harder for me, be honest with you, to do this. My Mavic and my other drones will give me a hard time too, man. It's not just because of this drone. This drone did the job. I'm surprised it can handle it. Wow. I wish I could get more batteries. Like I said, you know, take it easy. I mean, it's still new, and I know Autel is still probably doing more updates with this drone, and that's a good thing. Wow. And go from here.